If you're looking for a portable microphone with excellent sound, cool features and dual channel system, keep watching. When we talk about microphones, one brand immediately comes to our mind is Rode, the leading Australian company known for making some quality microphones and accessories. I have been using Rode NT USB microphone as my main voiceover microphone on this channel, and so far it has never let me down in terms of sound quality. Even now, what you're hearing is coming from the Rode NT USB. I simply love this microphone and I love Rode. A big shout out to Rode for sending me their new Wireless Go 2 microphone. After a huge success of the Rode Wireless Go, the new Wireless Go 2 comes with some cool new features like dual transmitter support, internal audio recordings in the transmitters, compatibility with USB-C and iOS devices, ability to switch between stereo and mono outputs, a new Rode Central application for controlling advanced settings, and all this and more for a price tag of $300, which is $100 more than the original version. So let's start the unboxing and get to know more about this microphone, but before I start, kindly subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon so you'll get notified every time I post a new video. Big thanks for Rode for sending me this cool cap and a carry strap. Inside the box you get a carry pouch, one receiver and two transmitters with 3 furry windshields, SC5 TRS to TRS memory cable, 3 SC20 USB-C to USB-A cables. So that's all what you get inside the box. Now in addition to this, Rode has also sent me an SC15 USB-C to Lightning cable for iOS devices and a SC16 USB-C to C cable for Android device connectivity. Before using the kit, I would highly recommend to download and run the new Rode Central application and connect all the 3 devices. This will allow you to have the newest firmware on each transmitter and receiver. Also unlocking tons of new settings. Link of the application you will find in the description below. One of the main feature, as the name also suggests, is you are now able to use 2 transmitters with a single receiver, which can be quite handy in variety of situations, especially for recording an interview. Let's have a close look at the transmitters and receiver. Now let's start with the receiver first. You have LED screen, power button, USB-C connector, 3.5mm TRS output, gain control or mute button, pairing button, merge and split mode selector. Coming over to the transmitters, you have USB-C connector, power button, 3.5mm TRS input, inbuilt mic input, battery indicator LED and connectivity indicator LED light. The features on Rode Wireless Go 2 are so many that I would request all my viewers to visit rode.com and go to the Learning Hub to get a complete understanding of this useful microphone. I would provide all the links in the description below. Now let's see some functions of the receiver. On the top section we can see the master audio levels followed by some status indicators for each transmitter, one on the left and 2 is on the right. The transmitter section shows a red record status, battery level indicator and a connectivity status, and a tiny level indicator on the bottom. The button on the left adjusts your output levels in 3 steps. Button on the right allows you to change which transmitter you would like to mute. So by default the Rode is in split or mono settings, which will separate input to the left and the right channel. In this way you can control your inputs separately once you edit your videos. By holding down both the buttons on receiver, you can switch over to merge or stereo mode. Now this will mix the recordings together. For example, if you're recording on both channel and wants to edit in the post, use mono or split mode. If you don't want to edit your videos and wants transmitter to mix left and right, you can use merge or stereo mode. Now the one question you will all ask is how to connect or pair it. Simply press and hold the power button on the receiver to turn it on. To pair your transmitters to the receiver, press and hold the power button on the transmitters. Once turned on, it will automatically pair to the receiver. This should take a few seconds. To reconnect if connection is lost, press and hold the pair button on the receiver for 3 seconds to enable pairing mode. Then single click on the power button on the transmitter and wait for a few seconds. Rode has made it quite easy for connecting to various devices like camera, computers and mobile devices for both iOS and Android with different sets of cable. The Rode Central application is a welcome addition. It allows you to set up device preferences, access, optimize and export recordings. Also updating your firmware plus many more features. Let's do some microphone test and compare it to Rode NT USB. So I will read out some famous dialogues from the Hollywood movie in both the microphones, starting with the Rode Wireless Go 2. Our lives are defined by opportunities, even the ones we miss. Our lives are defined by opportunities, even the one we miss. To find something, anything, a great truth or a lost pair of glasses, You must first believe there will be some advantage in finding it. To find something, anything, a great truth, or a lost pair of glasses, you must first believe there will be some advantage in finding it. Life moves pretty fast. If you don't stop and look around once in a while, you could miss it. Life moves pretty fast. If you don't stop and look around once in a while, you could miss it. In terms of sound quality, both the microphones have their advantages, but I would still give a slight advantage to Rode NT USB for voiceover. But there are a lot of things which Rode Wireless Go 2 can do which Rode NT USB cannot, especially in terms of mobility and portable use. Well, there are many more outstanding features of this device which I would like to cover in my next video. So do subscribe if you haven't to watch my entire coverage on Rode Wireless Go 2. Hit the thumbs up if you like this video. See you soon in my next video. Till then, goodbye, peace and blessings. I hope you enjoyed the video. If you like the video, kindly hit the thumbs up and subscribe to my channel. I will really appreciate that. Also click on the notification icon, the bell icon, so you'll constantly get updated with my new videos. Thank you for watching and see you in my next video. Till then, goodbye.